Yo, can I make this in a day? So I want to make a skirt, but I'm also flying to Japan in a few days. So I've got a plan. The challenge is to make it in one day. I've made a skirt before. Is it enough time? Is it too much time? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, I still need to shoot some other content with my brother, and we're gonna go drink a cafe, so I'll make the design there.
Where you want it, rock on the beat. Step my money up, now I'm back on my feet. I was too blind.
Alter, du hast so viel zu spät, doch.
Gar nicht.
Doch.
Where the God, now I sleep. Split my whole everything, nigga, that had me. Got my passport, now I'm going overseas. Nigga, threat, nigga, zeal, speaking Portuguese. Had me cancel, come, told the baby, we gon' see. I'ma leave it up, cause the tickets, it ain't free.
So this is the design, something along those lines.
Don't matter if you get $5 or a buck. Start playing, then gon' say your money up. I was too broke, couldn't smile, face stuck. I believe in God, I ain't thinking about no luck. Baby walked up, said she want me in her belly. Blue suit, red tie, nigga just like was a killer. She done bought the drinks and paid for her spaghetti.
So the pattern is done and it's time to cut.
5 shots in, looked at me and say she rip in public, run my money up and mind my business. Every time I step outside, different women. When I pass by, you don't know my shit be 10. Woke up and thank God, cause he got me winning. Messing up, Mexico, dude was on my ass. Born out Mexico, we went to free at last. Yo, soy not two, dude player. You two, this nigga use a square.
So it's the next day. I did finish the cut yesterday. Now the next step is doing the pleats, I guess. I'm leaving tomorrow as well, so I have to get it done today. But I think I can make it work. Or maybe not.
Yeah. Scoochie. What's up, baby?
Sewing the darts shouldn't take too long.
Yellow rims, yellow big booty, yellow bones, yellow lambs, yellow MP.
It's time to put it all together.
Yellow charm ring chain, yellow living room set.
Ich habe ihn vergessen, 2 oder 0.
So this is the state of it now. I put together all the pieces and I basically just need 3 more things. The zip, the waistband and the hem. Let's go.
My family sitting on 6s, no 20s in my gun. Because it is a little
Zip is done. Turned out kinda but fuck it. Now onto the waistband. So you're also probably wondering, where do I have my So you're also probably wondering, where do I have my waistband from? I just took this from the pair of pants and this is pretty nice. It already has some belt straps. I also don't have much time left. I still need to pack, so yeah.
I'm truly stupid, paid, that's just how I feel today. I'm moving slow, cause these shoes in my lemonade.
Done with the waistband. This took longer than anticipated. It turned out quite nice. Now onto the hem.
Lemonade, diamond brush, then put it in your face.
Oh f***, ich film seit
Lemon head, diamond earrings I wore yesterday.
pretty much finished. But I wanted to add like one more thing. What was the name again?
Belt.
So one more belt to go, then we're done.
I'm pimpin' wearing Lennon, that's just how I'm chillin'. I'm smoking grapes and selling chickens, Corvette painted lemon.
So I'm done. It's midnight. Yeah, I finished it. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Good decision to make the belt. I have to pack for Japan now because my flight is tomorrow. So yeah, you'll see the whole skirt in Japan and styling it and whatever. Yeah, see you there.
So abgeschnitten. Ganz vergessen, wie ich das überhaupt gemacht habe.
Lemonade shake with my feet up. Lemonade shake with my feet up. Lemon pepper wings in the freeze cup.
Okay, so that's it. I need to buy souvenirs, so I gotta hurry up. But yeah, see you the next time I make something. Tough. There's oben.
Lemon pepper wings with your feet